So this video is for those suffering cancer and looking for ways to fight it out. We are going to see how curcumin helps. Curcumin helps in many types of cancers. Basically, cancer, yes, when the basic mechanism of cancer formation is the same, but what organ it is affecting and what are the pathways and all associated with that. Despite that, curcumin is helping many types of cancers. We will see how and how it is working in your body to help you out. That is what is the video about. Curcumin has ability to cure various types of cancer. It is anti-cancerous. All the research papers have confirmed that whatever I am saying today is based on what research papers are saying. I am not saying things on my own. This is what research papers are telling you. Curcumin is anti-cancerous. It helps in chemotherapy. It is shown to enhance the effect of chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Curcumin has various mechanisms with which it controls cancer. It is working at various levels in your body. I'll explain this. Chemotherapy, we are killing cells, we are killing healthy cells as well as cancerous cells. Curcumin, because it is working internally in your body, it has the capability to selectively kill the cancerous cells. You have to use this in conjunction with the chemotherapy, because we don't know how much time the patient has, so we can't rely completely on curcumin or even completely on chemotherapy. Both things used together effectively gives you the result. This is what practically we have found it. Various research have shown that curcumin reduces the size of the tumor. Curcumin also stops spread of cancer. And curcumin prevents formation of new tumors. That is why what I said is it helps in avoiding relapse. This is the reason why I have said that. This is what the research papers are telling. Along with it, curcumin also has helped curb the side effects of chemotherapy. So curcumin not only just prevents cancer, it also reduces the side effects of chemotherapy. There is a strong relationship between inflammation and cancer. So again, the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin, we have seen in previous video the signaling pathway. I'm not going to the pathway again, but we have seen that COX-2 inhibitor, it is COX-2 inhibitor. So via COX-2 also it works as an anti-inflammatory agent, and it supports further in fighting cancer. These are this very tremendous the way curcumin is working in your body against cancer. Curcumin has the ability to interfere with the cell cycle, so it will interfere in the, because basically cancer is creation of cells or cells forget to die and they just get accumulated in body, and then they start getting together, these cancerous cells to form tumor. So curcumin can also interfere in the cell cycles. That is why I said that it kills, in a way it kills cancerous cells. So that is again another level at which it will curcumin inhibits the proteins that are triggering the carcinogenic pathways. Again, in case of oxidative stress in the earlier stages of cancer, oxidative stress plays a major role, and curcumin, this we have seen again in the signaling pathway in the video for arthritis, but oxidative stress it takes care of. Not only that, it is also antioxidant, highly antioxidant and highly anti-inflammatory. Both these properties it helps in cancer. Curcumin also has a major role to play on the liver. Phase 1 enzymes are which are responsible for creating toxic and carcinogenic compounds in your body. Curcumin is capable of inhibiting them, and phase 2 enzymes which are responsible for detoxification. So by inhibiting and activating these two, phase 1 and phase 2 enzymes, curcumin helps in prevention of tumor. So curcumin also prevents angiogenesis, means from your existing blood vessel a new blood vessel is formed. And see, when the cells are there, for the cells to live, blood flow is required. Blood flow is required. So the blood vessels are, see, first of all, cells are getting multiplied in your body in case of cancer, and then these blood vessels, we are coming to angiogenesis now. We are talking about angiogenesis, where existing blood vessel branches in multiple blood vessels, so that these from where your tumor cells get life, because they need blood supply. Cells need blood supply to live. So this process of angiogenesis also curcumin is targeting. Various pathways involved in this. AP1 transcription factor, it is capable of inhibiting, which this transcription factor AP1 plays major role in creation of your, it plays major role in angiogenesis, let me put it that way. And that transcription factor also, it is able to inhibit that. And then it is also VEGF inhibitor, we have seen. So through that and other proteins also and genes which are involved in the process of angiogenesis, curcumin is able to inhibit all these activities. Another process is cellular adhesion, because see, I told you body is a complex thing. What we are talking about right now is cancer formation also takes a lot of activities in your body, so first the cells are formed, then the blood vessels are multiplying and supplying blood to these cells. Then there is certain adhesion property due to which these cells can come together and form tumor. This adhesion property also curcumin is fighting. That is why it is preventing formation. So at multiple levels, it is fighting cancer in your body through all these mechanisms. I am going to talk about these mechanisms only today, what curcumin is doing in your body, specifically in case of cancer, how it is working. In case of colorectal cancer, it is observed that curcumin has increased efficacy in large intestine. This is also one of the reasons why we are giving curcumin in form of sachet or powder that needs to be added in food, rather than having tablets that directly lands in your stomach and then it has to get dissolved over there and then the absorption process starts. Instead of that, we have improved the drug delivery system also by providing it in form of sachet, so that in case of colorectal cancer they have found that it has increased efficacy when it passes through your intestine. So it is helping considerably in case of colorectal cancer. In case of breast cancer, the findings are that curcumin is helping in all types of cancer, but I am just listing out the findings over here. In case of breast cancer studies, they have found that the skin is having less the effect of chemotherapy can be reduced by usage of curcumin. Even you can have a topical application also to prevent inflammation. We are also providing some cream for topical application. Topical application of curcumin during radiations and chemotherapy have shown that there are less effects of the treatments, side effects of those treatments on your skin, as well as side effects caused by chemotherapy and radiotherapy are decreased by curcumin, because these treatments are having a lot of side effects, due to which also the patient's quality of life goes down. Now quality of life is required because you want to sustain these treatments to come out of the disease. So there curcumin plays a very, very crucial role. It will curb the side effects, due to which the between two sessions they give a gap, and that gap is given for the patient to recover and be capable of taking another session, and then curcumin reduces that gap. So when that gap is reduced, you can recover earlier from the disease. You recover earlier from the disease, and the side effects are curbed, because see, basically your cells are getting burned in chemotherapy, and it is affecting your healthy cells also. So basically it is taking some part of you, it is taking some part of you, it is taking some life from you. You have to recover that whatever treatment is being done on you, you have to recover from that. Your body has to have some recovery from that. It has to uh, take time to get back out of the side effects and all the whatever medicines and whatever is used during the therapy. So curcumin helps majorly in that, before and even after. So it has helped in many types of cancer. It is able to elevate the liver functions. All the side effects, nausea, diarrhea, and constipation, pain, all these side effects of chemotherapy, curcumin is able to reduce these side effects of chemotherapy. Weakness, nausea, weakness, pain, all this, curcumin takes care of all this. And with it's a low toxicity molecule. It has no side effects at all. In case of cancer, no side effects. Very safe to consume. It is very safe to consume during chemotherapy and after chemotherapy, radiotherapy. It's very safe to consume in case of cancer. Please consume curcumin if you are suffering cancer. Along with the ongoing therapies, please consume curcumin. To have good quality life and to avoid relapse in future, please consume curcumin.